pushing.
It's not about working out for a few days and then giving up. It's about making a commitment to yourself and sticking to it day after day, week after week, and month after month.
Ain't no promise tomorrow. Nobody promised you the next day. Who promised you the next day that you're gonna do this tomorrow? Who promised you the next day that you're gonna get that extra rep tomorrow?
I understand that life can get in the way, and some days you might not feel like coming to the gym. But it's on those days when you're feeling unmotivated that pushing yourself to show up is most important. Small, consistent actions leads to big results. Each time you come to the gym, you're taking a step towards a healthier, stronger, and fitter you.
5, get them up. 4, squeeze them to the top. 3, all the way up.